Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to do more vlogs. I've never done like really that much vlogs, but this time I'm gonna try to 2025 try to speak, give you stories about the racing. I know I just do edits and I cut it real quick and and just put it for you guys, just racing, whatever, music. But this time I'm gonna try to be more interacting with you guys and telling you guys what's going on. But right now we're in my house. This is where I have the car stored now. It was garage kept for years, but now it looks like it's gonna be under a tree, this tree right here, with the car cover. So it's on top of the trailer. And yes, I could probably pay somebody, to pass my smog and shit like that. But, I don't really, this is not my daily. So, I decided in I think when I paid it off, I think it's 2020, decided, you know what, that's it. Like, it's not going to be my daily. It's just going to become a race car. So, I did on non-operational, and I don't have to pay insurance and or registration, so we're good. But because I'm gonna be racing, so that's why I have it on a trailer. I wish I didn't, because I'll waste less money when I'm gonna go race. To go race, I have to go pick up the Raptor. All right, it's not mine, it's my brother's. Maybe someday I'll buy off of him, but fucking truck, 6'4", fucking wastes a lot of gas just to fucking go race. I'll probably waste more money on gas on that truck than race gas on this car, okay? So just to let you know, right? And then it's not as cheap now. They're charging like $100 just to fucking get a tech car, and then whatever spectator you get is like $20, $40. But yeah, man, this is a car. It's a stick shift car, right? I still have the passenger, but when I race, I take it off. That's why it's not screwed on. My helmet, that's where I put the race, pour the race gas. I use that. That's my race jacket and my race pants. Got no seats. That's my, I have to take that shit off, but that's my, what is it, the cooler, whatever, cooler box. We're trying to make it into a water to air, but it didn't work out, so we just went back to the original setup that never fails. Is the air to air, full race CP intercooler. That's my what's it called, my shift light. Okay guys, so when I see the needle go to there, it's 7,000. You see how that's my view right there. I shift, so that's how That's how I shift, both guys. So yeah, what else? I put on sport mode and make sure I take off the traction control. This one's already disconnected. We disconnected everything, but I always make sure I put it on sport mode or on race mode, just to make sure, you know, we have all the throttle response. Fuck! Fourth gear went out again.